Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best LED grille lights is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any truck owner looking to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of their vehicle, especially when navigating dimly lit roads or trails after dark. These powerful lights are designed to seamlessly integrate into your truck's grille, providing a striking visual appeal that commands attention while simultaneously illuminating your path with superior clarity and brightness, ensuring you can see and be seen in any condition. Number 5. 7 Sparta LED grille lights for 2020 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Specifically designed for your 2020 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road and sport models. Ensure a perfect fit by checking your grille style. Featuring dual-layer protection with advanced internal and external glue sealing. Secure wiring with zip ties for maximum longevity and protection against vibration. Constructed with upgraded ABS plastic to resist scratches, water, and corrosion. Comes with a fuse adapter and harness wire for a simple plug-and-play installation. Improve visibility in rain, fog, or at night with these 4 bright LED lights. They ensure you are easily seen, keeping you safe on the road. No drilling required. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes. Simply insert the lights into your grille and connect the wiring. Each set includes everything you need, for LED lights, a fuse adapter, and harness wire. Installation manuals and videos are also provided for your convenience. What we like. If you own a 2020 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road or sport, this is your perfect fit. Its dual waterproof sealing ensures longevity, and the plug-and-play installation means you'll be done in 15 minutes. If you're looking for a hassle-free, durable upgrade specifically for your Tacoma, this is the one. What people say. The housing that clips into the grille fits perfect and snapped in extremely easy. The diamond shape of the outer housing is brilliant as it makes the install look super clean by filling in the gap around the light itself. The LED lights themselves are clean looking and very bright. The smoked housing with amber LEDs has an amazing look off or on. The wiring harness is high quality, all wires appeared weather sealed and secure. Overall the install was super simple and takes about 15 minutes from start to finish. I bought these a couple years ago for my 2010 Toyota Tacoma Raptor grille, and due to the cheap listing price I was fully expecting these to crap out within a month or two at most, but eBay had them now for over 2 years and have run them through heavy storms, floods, mud, sandstorms, ice, extreme heat, and I have not had a single one even show signs of failure. Lights are super bright, uniform in brightness and color. Quality of the harness is good, instructions are helpful and easy to read, and the fit and finish is about 4-5. Number 4. ASPL 8 PCS Sync Feature Ultra Slim Strobe Lights. Experience unparalleled brightness with these powerful warning lights. Equipped with 12 high-intensity LEDs and a durable housing, they ensure maximum visibility to keep you safe on the road. Don't let the elements stop you. These lights are built with high-quality materials, featuring an IP67 waterproof rating and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, making them perfect for any weather condition. Easily synchronize multiple lights for a coordinated flashing effect. Simply connect the white wires together, and customize your patterns using the yellow wire for seamless integration. Their ultra-slim design makes installation a breeze. Universal for all 12-24V vehicles, they can be mounted anywhere, providing a secure and convenient lighting solution. Choose from 17 distinct flashing patterns, including steady-on and various strobe effects. The memory function ensures your last used pattern is always ready to go. What we like. For those who want maximum visibility and customization, these 8 ultra-slim strobe lights are a fantastic choice. With 12 LEDs per light and 17 flashing modes, including a sync feature, you can create a truly unique warning signal. If you're looking to be seen in any condition and want a versatile emergency beacon for your truck or car, consider this set. What people say. This pack of flashers mounts flushly to the vehicle with a single hole, 1/4, using the included foam pad to ensure water resistance, and also add to the aesthetic. They are bright enough to be seen in a distance and, when linked together, all units blink the same time, same pattern. Installation and connection is easy with basic electronic understanding. Included directions clearly define the cable functions and label them by color. These are indeed really bright at night. The aluminum housing is great. Along with the rigidly sealed wiring seems phenomenal. Installation was basically a breeze. The lights have a nice little weight to them, and are not in any way, shape or form, flimsy to say the least. You can sync all of these lights together so all the flashing is in uniform. Makes it look much more professional on a job site that requires flashing lights. Quality seems to be good. Lights are nice and bright. Number 3. 4-pack 6 LED amber strobe lights kit. Enhance your vehicle's visibility with these versatile strobe lights. They feature 18 different flashing patterns and a memory function to recall your last setting. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles, they can be installed on bumpers, windshields, and more. Connecting these lights is straightforward with a simple 4-wire setup. Use the white wire for synchronization, black for negative, red for positive, and yellow to cycle through patterns. You can easily select your desired mode by briefly touching the yellow wire to the red wire. These ultra-slim lights boast 6 super bright LEDs for maximum visibility. Synchronize multiple units for enhanced performance and choose from a variety of patterns. Enjoy a longer LED lifespan and reduced maintenance. Designed for easy installation, these amber LED lights are also waterproof. They are ideal for improving driving safety and preventing accidents. Use them as signal lights, daytime running lights, or fog lights. Take advantage of the upgraded synchronization feature. Simply connect the white wires of multiple lights together to have them flash in unison. If synchronization isn't needed, you can easily ignore the white wire. These lights are designed to significantly increase your safety, especially when driving at night. Avoid potential traffic accidents by ensuring your vehicle is clearly visible to others. What we like. If you need enhanced safety and a bold look for your truck, these 4 amber strobe lights are a great option. They offer 18 different flashing patterns, including synchronization for multiple lights, ensuring high visibility. If you prioritize safety and want a customizable warning light for various locations on your vehicle, this kit is worth considering. What people say. These lights are pretty bright and can be seen for at least 500 feet in inclement weather. I placed 4 of them on the grill of my truck for fire calls, and I can say at night, they are really bright. They offer interesting flash patterns also. Number 2. OPT7 Aura RGB LED Grille Lights. Experience lighting that's 300% brighter than anything else on the road. These advanced LEDs are perfect for night drives and showcasing your unique style. Take full control of your vehicle's look with 19 dynamic lighting effects. Adjust brightness and colors to perfectly match your setup and stand out at every meet. These lights can bend and twist to fit any surface, ensuring a long-lasting and secure installation. The waterproof connections and included brackets make mounting a breeze. Designed to be compatible with any vehicle, installation is straightforward. Our included harness ensures a safe and protected power connection directly to your battery. Ride with confidence thanks to our 1-year warranty and dedicated US support team. These lights make a great gift for any car enthusiast looking to make a statement. What we like. For the ultimate in custom lighting and show-stopping style, these RGB LED grille lights are the way to go. With 19 effects, multicolor options, and remote control, you can transform your truck's appearance. If you love JDM style, attend car meets, or simply want to express your unique taste with vibrant, customizable lighting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lights are super bright and make grilling at night easy. Easy to install, and the adjustable arm fits perfectly on my grill. Durable construction, has held up well in various weather conditions. Number 1. Boigoo Raptor style grille lights for Ford and Dodge. Introducing the Boigoo Raptor style grille lights, designed to enhance the look of your Ford F-150 Raptor or Dodge Ram 1500. These lights offer a striking amber glow with a smoked lens for a custom appearance. Specifically engineered for Raptor-style aftermarket grilles, these lights are compatible with 2004 to 2019 Ford F-150 and 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 models. Ensure a seamless upgrade for your vehicle's front end. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, they are built to last. These lights are waterproof and dustproof, providing reliable performance and increased driving safety, even in harsh weather conditions. Featuring advanced medium-power LED wicks, they consume minimal power while delivering bright illumination. Enjoy a long lifespan and reduced heat output, making them an eco-friendly choice. Each package includes 3 LED lights, waterproof cables, cable ties, and screws for a straightforward installation. Everything you need is provided to easily mount these lights onto your grill. With included mounting hardware and pre-designed waterproof connectors, installation is a breeze. You'll have them fitted and shining in no time, enhancing your vehicle's aesthetics effortlessly. What we like. If you have a Ford F-150 Raptor style aftermarket grill, 2004 to 2019, or a Dodge Ram 1500 Raptor style aftermarket grill, 2013 to 2018, these decorative amber LED lights are designed for you. They offer a subtle yet stylish enhancement with low power consumption. If you're looking to add a touch of aggressive styling to your Raptor-style grill without compromising on energy efficiency, these are a solid pick. What people say. Been in over a year and no issues so far, they are bright and white. Had these lights installed for a year now and no complaints, just works. The polarity on mine were fine, just test them before wiring them up. Also I use some black RTV silicone to seal the housing seam and filled in the cavity where the wire enter the housing to waterproof them. Gone through car washes, heavy downpours and even heavy snowstorms and no issues. The included wiring harness is long and easy to install. Had to file the slots in my grill slightly to fit. But good quality and lumens. 40 minutes start to finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.